I am Bean. I left my coffee. And today I'm just gonna be doing like a little, I don't know what to call this, first impressions, also like hair transformation of me using the new Kenra Rose Metallics. So it's like rose goldy colors. My hair has faded a lot since I last got it done. So I'm just hoping to put this on it to like give it a little extra something. This new collection says that it's designed for pre-lightened and pre-toned hair, and it offers artistry and creativity. So I guess the new collection has like silvers, violets, bronze, and rose metallics. That's just the metallics collection. I believe that has actually been out for a little while, but this rose gold color is fairly new. And it says that it can be used to add dimensional highlights, an overall steel finish, or look onto other shades for a smoky look. That's kind of a weird description, but yeah, I do have clearly other shades in my hair, but yeah, this will just give it a little something because she's looking rough and I want her to be shiny and metallic and beautiful. I have used Kenra's metallics before. I like how I say her, like is Kenra even a lady? Their Gaitang favorites. Their Gaitang favorites. Oh my god! Their Gaitang favorites, silver metallics. Chris and I used those previously when we originally had silver hair the first time we lightened our hair and everything. And I really liked it. It didn't really last that long because we used a demi-permanent activator, but this is a permanent color. So I'll probably get like a higher volume developer for it. Maybe, I don't know. Because I don't really know how long I want a color to be in my hair at this point. But yeah, we'll see. So I'm just telling you guys about the product and everything. I'll let you guys know what I think of it in a minute after I turn my hair from this to this. This is how my hair came out. It kind of reminds me, it's kind of similar to the tone that I had when I got it colored at the salon, but that faded super quickly, so I'm hoping this will stay a bit longer. It is a actual permanent color. I used it was like a level 15-ish developer because I mixed two different developers. One was like a 9, weirdly enough, and the other was a 20. So it was like a 14, 15-ish. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way that it came out. I think it's very pretty and it kind of helps to blend my roots a bit more. Again, I don't know if you guys could tell where I put this color on it. It kind of had like my roots, and then it was like this weird kind of lightened section that was also kind of brown and then pink. But I think that this covered everything quite nicely. I'll do a rotation. Yeah, I really liked Kenra colors whenever Chris and I used it, like I said, for our silver metallic. I thought it was beautiful. I still like it. Last time we used a demi-permanent, however. So we will see how this girl lasts. I'm pretty excited. Even the demi-permanent, however, did last longer than what I got at the salon this past time, which I believe was like City Brights. So Kenra is really good. You guys should definitely look into their colors because it's very pretty. Their metallics are gorgeous. My hair is just kind of dead, sadly, so it doesn't do it much justice, but you will definitely get like a very pretty gloss whenever you use these colors. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Let me know what you guys think. I'm sorry I keep posting these like super random hair videos, but hopefully I'm done for a while because I'm planning on growing it out now and not fucking with it. But yeah, if you want to see how I got my hair cut, I'll put a card above my head, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, other than that, I'll talk to you guys later. Tell me about your color experiences. Bye.